Alright guys, so this was super unexpected. I just came over here to, what was I even gonna do? Oh, Tom was gonna fix my mirror because I broke another one. So he kind of fixed that and it's gonna be ready by tomorrow. But they convinced me to cut the muffler off. So I got the stock muffler right here. This is an eBay exhaust that I had that I was gonna throw on. But I also had these homemade blast pipes. And we're gonna try to weld these up right there. It's all stock. All right, so we got it on there now. Let me get it in. So we got the stock exhaust right here, and then it goes over to this part of the blast pipes. Right here. I'm not gonna have this hanger, so I'm gonna have to cut this off. But whoever had this before me, this is like a homemade, like some muffler shop did this. So they have theirs up here, but I want mine to have like an angle of it coming up.
Yes, sir.
Instead of just going straight out, I kind of want it to come up and out.
It's a little short, but has a little angle.
But yeah, now I just gotta fire up the Harbor Freight welder right here, Asher's welder, and then tack it, and then probably try to take it off so I could actually weld it. This is just tacked on. This isn't even welded on. Tom?
We can't do that. Don't do that.
Alright guys, I got it welded up. It looks a lot worse because I grinded it away. But what do you expect with the Harbor Freight welder? This thing welds a lot better than mine because it's the newer ones.
This nigga asked me if I had pink paint. Of course I have pink paint. Fuck you.
Dude.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Fuck you.
What you got going here?
Look at it. Don't look at it.
Sneak peek?
Don't look at it.
So I'm gonna give you a few pulls on how it sounds. It's actually really loud for just being a muffler delete, but that's also because it goes from 2-inch to 4-inch, which is a pretty drastic change. That droney compared to how loud it is. So right now it's just like cruising. I'm honestly really happy with this exhaust. For being just a simple muffler delete with blast pipes, I think it's something I'm gonna keep for a long time. Because if you guys know me, you guys know I like hate straight pipe K so much. I don't care if it's single cam or dual cam. I just hate the sound so much. Dual cams, I don't mind that much. Oh shit, 240 bros. Dual cams I don't really mind that much, but most single cams I hate because everyone just straight pipes them. Almost like Hondas. Like Hondas have a good tone, but everyone just straight pipes them, and that's where you kind of ruin them. What it sounds like. Also, if you guys want to check out the video of the tint, it should be live by the time this goes out. It sounds like an SR. Heat reflective tape and then put it on the gas tank because the gas tank is right here. I also had to put that just for now, just so it doesn't rattle and hit it. So I'm gonna wrap all that area with heat reflective tape just so it doesn't get it really hot. It hasn't affected it, but I just want to do that just in case. And I'm also gonna get some exhaust wrap for the manifolds and then wrap that little portion, and then that should be good. But I'm not gonna show you that in the video because you guys don't need to see me putting on tape. That's kind of easy enough for you guys to, you know, figure out by yourself. Guys, found this useful and enjoyed the video and thought it was kind of funny or something. I don't know. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.